and see what we are doing there. And I urge anybody who went to school to think of their school and don't wait for others to do it, so that encourage the students who are still in those schools to know. But I didn't girls only. I also went to another school. I also went to Migori Primary School, and I know there are people who went to Migori Primary School, isn't it? You are there. I also went to Mkuyu Primary School for 1 year, and I know my neighbors who went to Mkuyu Primary School. I also went to Buare Primary School, standard 7 and 8, and I saw some of my classmates here. Hey, classmates, muko. Njoo waone my classmates hawa. My classmates. You see the ogale one. Ado katugi. Nanga malich mokalo. Where's Dorcas? These are my classmates in standard 7 and 8. He was, Peter Madego was the head boy. Then, Dorcas Engasian, I can't tell you Lungininga, was the head girl. Solomon Avedi, eto no queen anything though. Yeah. So you can see, I also went to school here. Kupamna. In the one classmates, Nika. Oh, Clarice was also at primary school. Thank you very much, classmates.
Thank you, big girls. Thank you, and Paul, for cutting you short. As I call the chair to just recognize his committee, one